Today I'm making a bottle which I call Hug in a Bottle, which is great for anyone who's a nervous flyer or just has moments of overwhelm during the day. So it's a great bottle to start the day, to end the day, and for any moments that kind of catch you off guard. So to start with, it is a few drops of balance oil, doterra's balance oil. So I'm going to do 10 drops of that. The balance oil is a blend, is a grounding blend, so it has hoe wood, it has spruce, frankincense, my favourite frankincense, the king of oils, and blue tansy and blue chamomile. This is clary sage as well. Clary sage is great for soothing emotions and general kind of calm and harmony. The rest is going to be fractionated coconut oil. So fractionated coconut oil is super in terms of it's very light, and so the oils are absorbed into your bloodstream faster. So pop the little lid on. Wink. Shake it up. Great places to apply it are your wrists, in the first thing in the morning and in the evening. So it gives you balance and harmony during the day, and it's helpful, peaceful sleep. Sometimes I just put it behind my ears and on the base of my feet. Great one to just have in your bag or in your pocket. Certainly in moments of anxiety, it's a great one to just pull out, and it's just instant calm. So instantly it does its magic. This is my Hug in a Bottle. It smells so good. If you like this, subscribe for more.